What's the difference between home insurance and renovation insurance, or otherwise it's known as vacancy insurance? Well, when you're doing a rental or regular home, it's just insuring it's the property and the contents and so on and so forth. That's your regular home insurance. When you get rental insurance, you're adding another layer of insurance that covers the landlord for lost revenues. So if there was damages like a flood, and the regular insurance is going to cover the damage for that, but what it wouldn't cover is the lost income from the tenant having to move out. So that's where landlord insurance or rental insurance comes into play. Not to be confused with renter's insurance, which is what your tenants should be getting to cover their contents. But reno insurance or vacancy insurance is for when the property is going to be under construction, it is likely vacant. There are times when people won't be there, such as vacancy, and there will be no tenant. So nobody's really watching the property except for your contractor going in. Also, this policy usually covers fire primarily, and no content and no flood. So just review your policy. Keep in mind, vacancy insurance is significantly more expensive because the risk is more. You've got a lot of trades in there working on wiring, open up plumbing, etc. There's a lot more that can go wrong. So this will be probably a 6 month policy will be equal to a 1 year policy of regular rental insurance.